Climate change poses a grave threat not only to the environment and human well-being, but also to the global economy. Addressing this challenge requires collaboration between the public and private sectors to adopt sustainable production methods that foster economic growth. In addition to its environmental and societal impacts, climate change significantly threatens economic stability. Heat waves reduce productivity by impairing our ability to work, while hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons devastate communities, plunging millions into poverty. Droughts diminish crop yields, complicating efforts to feed an expected world population of 10 billion by 2050. World Population Prospects 2019, United Nations. The World Bank warns that without immediate action, climate change could push 100 million more people into poverty by 2030. The Stern Report and the Nordhaus model, previously considered a distant concern, environmental health now takes center stage in economic models. In 2006, the British government commissioned a report on climate change by economist Nicholas Stern, former chief economist of the World Bank. The resulting 700-page Stern report identified greenhouse gas emissions as the world market's greatest mistake and concluded that mitigating climate change requires investing 2% of global GDP. American economist William D. Nordhaus, awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics in 2018 alongside Paul Romer, developed the first quantitative model, illustrating the interplay between economic development and climate change. Nordhaus advocates for pricing mechanisms to deter fossil fuel use, as current prices do not incentivize the adoption of renewable energy. Can climate change mitigation boost the economy? Despite initial resistance from the business community, numerous studies indicate that addressing climate change presents opportunities for sustainable development and economic growth. The World Commission on the Economy and Climate reported in late 2018 that ambitious climate measures could generate $26 billion in profits by 2030 and create 65 million new low-carbon jobs. To foster resilient and beneficial economic growth, the report emphasizes the need for structural transformation in 5 key sectors. 1. Clean energy systems. Decarbonizing energy and implementing decentralized, digitized electrification could provide modern energy access to 1 billion people. 2. Smarter urban development. Developing more compact, connected, and coordinated cities could save $17 billion by 2050 and enhance economic growth by improving access to work and housing. 3. Sustainable land use. Adopting sustainable farming methods and strict forestry protection could yield annual economic benefits of approximately $2 billion. 4. Smart water management. Efficient water use, driven by technological advancements and public infrastructure investment, could prevent GNP losses of up to 6% in water-scarce regions by 2050. 5. Circular industrial economy. Policies promoting circular and efficient material use could improve economic activity and reduce waste and pollution, as 95% of plastic packaging material value, worth up to $120 billion annually, is lost after the first use. The Global Commission on the Economy and Climate urges immediate action from public and private sector leaders, including carbon pricing, mandatory disclosure of climate-related financial risks, accelerated investment in sustainable infrastructure, private sector engagement, innovation, value chain transparency, and a people-centric approach for equitable growth and fair transitions. The United Nations asserts that it is not too late to mitigate climate change and its severe impacts. Humanity possesses the organizational and technological capacity to counteract and rectify the damage inflicted on the planet.